If the two angles are equal, what is the value of x? Label points A, B, C, D and E. Join perpendicular line CD and let it be equals to H. It implies that since angle BAOC equals angle DAOC, line BC equals line CD which equals 4, the result equals to H. It is because ABCD is a kite. Area of right triangle ABC equals to area of right triangle AOCD which equals to A. Hence, area of right triangle CDE equals 6 square units. It implies that area of right triangle ACD equals half the product of H and line DE which equals 6. Cross multiply and we have that line DE equals the product of 2 and 6 divided by H which equals to 3 units. Since H equals 4 units. Use Pythagoras theorem in triangle ABC. The square of x equals the sum of the square of h and the square of line DE which equals to 25. After simplification of substituted values. Take the square root of the equation. It signifies that x equals the square root of 25 which equals to 5 units. Therefore, x equals 5 units.